Hello guys, welcome back to another FreeCAD tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to create this 3D model very fast. Pick this template. Make sure this is part design workbench. I'm going to start the model by creating a box. Click on this box tool. I will make the box cube by entering 25 by 25 by 25. And click OK to close. Pick this front face and click on this command to create a sketch. And click on this command to copy a reference sketch from existing solid. Pick these two edges. Right click to exit the command. Click on polyline command and draw a triangle like this. Add dimensions using this command. Close the window. Pick this pocket command and pick through all option. Click OK. Pick this face to create a new sketch. Again, pick this command to create reference sketch. Click on these edges. Right click to exit. Click on this rectangle command and draw a rectangle like this. Add dimensions like this. Close the window. Pick pocket command. Type 22 for the length and enter. Click OK to close the window. Check the model. Let me change the color of this model. Pick this face to create a sketch. Pick this command. Click on these edges for reference lines. Click on line command. Draw a line at the center. Make sure the cursor looks like this. Right click to exit. Select this line. Convert this line to construction line. Click this tool to convert. Now click on this slot tool and draw slot. Click. Type 3 and enter. Press enter again to accept the angle. Now click on the line and enter the slot size. Add the dimension for the distance from the top edge. Click to close. Click on the pocket tool. Select through all type. And click OK. Now, instead of doing the same on the bottom side, I'm going to mirror this slot using the mirror command. To do this, I need a plane in between these perpendicular faces. Take this face and click on this tool to add a plane. Click on references and at this point to rotate the plane. So this point is the base for the rotation of this new plane. Enter 45 for the rotation about y-axis. Click OK to close. Make sure this pocket is selected and click mirror command. Click here and select reference. Select the new plane. Click OK to close. Turn off the visibility of the plane and check the model. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss any of my future videos.